G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo, Wominjeka, to another rip-roaring episode of the Uncle Jojo in his dojo show. What we're doing today, we are doing some side runners. Love side runners, old school timber side runners. All of these are reclaimed timber. So I've got old red gum fence posts and some old OB or mountain ash for in between. We've ripped them down, we've sized them up. If you check out the the Instagram page, you'll see us doing those in stages. It took us ages to get them to this, and then we have put an oil on top of these. We've got a Waka oil. It's an exterior wood oil, and we've got that for our runners, and they've had 3 coats. So what we're going to do is we're taking off our old aluminiums, and we're going to be re-drilling them all to take the clips. These clips have to line up exactly where they need to go, and then what we're going to do is screw them all together and chuck them on the back of the ute. Oh no, you're not going to believe this. We've just found a major fault with what we're doing, and that is there's got to be a locking lug that gets drilled into this section here, like that, so we can put our twisty bolt, but the twisty bolt's not going to work. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit this temporarily just for today, and we're going to see what we can make up to drill in through here, and we can use it as a flipper up or a downer up. That's a technical term. That's looking pretty grim.
So cold.
Upside down, back to front, upside down. That's why he gets paid the big bucks, folks.
Exactly. That's why he's extremely just very good looking.
Nice. Oh, that looks hot. Right, grab the end of that, can you? And pull it for 30 seconds.
What you doing there, Campbell?
To you. Yeah, up. Alright, so this is where we're talking about. We've got to figure out something for there. There's nothing holding that there.
That does look sick though.
And down this end, that slots into there. And we're going to have to figure out something for this. So yeah, for the time being, we're going to have to put a bolt through there. Accomplished for today. Got these beauties back on. These are my pride and joy, these boxes. They're back on both sides, done. Racks back on. Sides done. Look at those sides. What an effort that has been to get those up and going and back on again. Oh, love it. Ripperita. Thanks for watching. Any questions and queries? Any about reclaiming timber, planing them down and making some side runners, flick them over to Uncle Joey Jojo. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Like always, stay on real banana peels. We'll see you in the soup.